Here you go, guys. 14-15 flawless basketball random players number 39. One more look at it. 227. I think I can start uploading the draw here. I did not see if Frank Thomas pulled last night out of Classics. No. Wonder was there a Classics break yesterday? I logged off when it was Lag City in the middle of a 12-13 Elite case. That's a great offer, Francis. I'm not going to refund everybody that joined the break. That would just be the biggest douche move ever. Dual patch out of 5. Wow, that's nice. Probably a good thing I didn't see it. Probably just would have made me mad that I didn't have the White Sox. Yeah, maybe you could just buy everybody else's spot for more than they paid, Francis. Maybe then they divvy it up. Good luck, guys. All right. Ooh, Dream Team right on the top. The Dream Team. I need my list here, so I know who has who, man. All right, first up we got Larry Bird, 15 out of 25, USA Basketball Dream Team Edition. Larry Bird, WAG anesthesia. And camera's not liking Larry so far today. There he is. Oh, we're starting hot. We're starting hot. Jack for my fucking pen. Saul Lane. Forgot to get my freaking pen back. Paul George auto patch from 13-14. 13 out of 25. PG-13, 13-25, jersey number. Paul George going to Matt Chanman. Very nice. Artis Gilmore, 15 out of 15, the last one ever. That's going to that guy, Jerry. $25 out of 25, Kyle Korver. Kyle Korver goes to the big fundamental. $2 out of 20, Walt Frazier. That is that guy Jerry again, second hit. Jerry. Jumbo patch, gold, Trevor Ariza, 5 out of 10. That guy Jerry again, third hit. That guy Jerry's got 3 hits now. And the final hit of the mini box, 3 out of 15, dual patch of John Starks. Johnny, Scotchy black and red with the Johnny Starks. Alright, we're going inside the briefcase, guys. Numbered out of 20. It's a rookie. True rookie. What they call the true rookie. Marcus Smart. 7 out of 20. Shamrock. Shamrock's got Marcus Smart. Congrats. The other bedazzled card is numbered out of 5. John Wall, 5 of 5. Lemmold in there. Johnny Weezy. Volmac. Congratulations, Volmac. A wall for Vol. Mac. Last hit. I told you it was a good time to get this guy, because I pull them all the time. Number 2 out of 5. Green. Shaquille O'Neal with his Lakers uniform on. The best Shaq was the West Shaq. Shaq Diesel. Going to the big fundamental. There we go. Congratulations, Jordan. What a hit. That's it for the break, guys. Thanks again, everybody, for watching and joining. Until next time. Peace.